Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the correct dimensions for your ad, select a standard size like 728x90, or enter custom values to match your placement. Once chosen, pick a template or start blank. This matters because templates speed layout, while blank lets you control composition. Make sure to set your brand colors and typefaces now so everything stays consistent. You should also upload logos and product images up front. Having assets ready saves time and keeps your layout from shifting later. You now build the visual hierarchy. Place the product or headline as the focal point and position the call to action so it's clear and clickable. Once done, enable grids and guides to align elements precisely and use consistent spacing. 6 to 8 pixels between components keeps things balanced. Make text legible by increasing contrast. Add a subtle overlay, drop shadow, or a color block behind copy. Also, scale images proportionally and crop to maintain center focus. This prevents awkward alignment when exporting. You finish by proofreading copy, confirming alignment, and testing the call to action for clarity and contrast. Then select Export Settings, 72 dpi for web, PNG for sharp graphics, or JPG for photos, and consider 2x resolution for Retina displays. Before exporting, preview your banner on desktop and mobile to verify scale and legibility. If file size is large, compress to under 200 kilobytes while checking visible quality. Troubleshooting tip: if colors
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.